My opinion, absolutely, right? They're designed and they're specified for that equipment. I'm going to say almost every manufacturer, and we don't represent everyone, but I will say everyone that we do, when you buy a factory original part, you get a 1-year warranty with it. But more importantly, right, it's gonna, you know that you're gonna have longevity. They life test those parts. If you've ever been to a test facility at these manufacturers, it's incredible. They've got units that will heat it up to 150 degrees. They'll have units that'll freeze it to below 40 degrees to test to see what happens to those parts for longevity and number of use, right? So if you're really wanting a part to last and be robust and be trouble-free, buying factory original is the way, because again, having downtime and machines not working and the time and the effort to put into it for an extra 15 or 20 points. So let's say it's an extra $10. What's your time worth to go out and change a water valve or a drain valve or belts that are breaking prematurely to save $5 or $10? So we are a big OEM, parts representative. Now, we've got some people that will want to buy generic parts, and that's fine. But in the long run, the cost savings, in our opinion, does not pay off. That you will pay for it one way or the other. And if you if you buy the cheaper, you'll end up doing it 2 or 3 times versus once with the original part.